Hi there, I'm Oliver Knox. I'm a soil scientist at the University of New England and I'm the technical lead with CottonInfo in soil health, and I want to talk to you briefly about your soil biology. A lot of us, when we think soil biology, we think earthworms. We think, wow, we want loads of earthworms. But in reality, they're not all that important or that good an indicator of how healthy our soil system is. We have the macro, the meso and the microfauna all working in our soil. And really the important stuff, it's the microbes, the microbiology, the stuff that we really cannot see without the use of a microscope. Here in Australia, and particularly in our cropping areas, our surface soils are exposed to extremes of conditions. But we go a few centimetres below the surface, and that's where our biology starts to stabilise, and we find a lot of life, and it's really active. And how much life? In a little tiny aggregate like that, there might be as many as 10 billion bacteria. Yes, more bacteria in a small piece of soil than there are humans on the planet. And more diversity than we find on the planet as well. Yep, there's probably more bacterial species in here than there are species of mammals on the earth. And it's these guys, these little bacteria and the fungi and all these other microbes that are in these tiny bits of soil that are really important to our systems. They're what are driving the big biological cycles that are helping provide the minerals that we need to grow our plants. And once we know that it's there, once we appreciate that it's there, we can really start to think about, okay, how are we going to manage our soil biology? And what can we do to help these guys in this soil help us grow better plants?